Want your living room to look like $1 million without spending it? Here are 5 budget-friendly upgrades that will instantly elevate your space. First, layer your lighting. Combine your main overhead light with warm table lamps or subtle LED strips. It creates a cozy, high-end atmosphere. Next, add texture. Think chunky knit throws and plush cushions in neutral colors. These small touches add depth and make your sofa look way more expensive. Then, hang some statement art. You don't need a masterpiece. A large, simple abstract print or a set of minimalist frames can transform a blank wall. Don't forget the details. Swap out old cabinet handles for sleek metallic ones. Even matching your small decor items, like vases and trays, makes a huge difference. Finally, declutter. Use stylish baskets and shelves to hide the mess. A clean, organized space is the ultimate sign of luxury. Simple upgrades, looks look. Follow for more home tips.